Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are actually going to be going on Subway Surf. So let's go. I have to try and beat a girl called Shannon. It's actually crashing because I don't know why, but it's crashing. So it's sort of crashing, but it sort of isn't. But I sort of have to get past her. I've already got past her once, so I don't know why I have to get past her again. I almost just died. I could have almost died just then. But this game is sort of awesome, but it's sort of boring, so because you can't really do anything on this apart from run and basically die, which is not good. I don't think you really would want to die, but okay. Oh, I've died. Okay, nice. That was the end of this video, guys. It was just a little go of saying that there's a lot of new things coming out. Not just Move Star Planet, not just Roller Coaster Tycoon, not just this game, loads of other games. Bye, everybody.